Realme's upcoming GT Neo 5 has so far been rumored to break the current wired charging record, going all the way up to 240 W when it launches. If you were wondering what a phone like that is going to look like, you're in luck because today we get the first leaked image purportedly depicting the GT Neo 5. For now we can only catch this glimpse of its back, but it does give us quite a lot to talk about. For example, check out that Vivo-inspired, or is it more accurately Poco-inspired, dual-step camera island. Oh, and while there are two circles in there, the lower one actually houses two shooters. And there's also what looks like a quad LED flash, and the obligatory pointless camera island text. This time we get, Matrix AI camera. Wait, maybe this isn't pointless and it's actually an Easter egg. Get it? Matrix, on a phone that has Neo in its name. Have we just cracked the code? Anyway, the power button is on the right, while the volume keys are nowhere in sight, which is normal for Realme and Oppo as they're on the other side. While this is the white iteration of the GT Neo 5, we're sure there will be other hues offered too. The GT Neo 3, its predecessor, also came in black, blue, and a special edition Naruto version. The Realme GT Neo 5 is expected to arrive in two versions. The one with 240 W charging will allegedly be powered by an underclocked version of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, while the other model will have 150 W charging and the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Society at the helm. Camera-wise, we're apparently looking at a 50 megapixels main sensor with OIS, an 8 megapixels ultrawide, and a 2 megapixels decorative sensor of the macro or depth sensing variety. Selfies are going to be handled by a 16 megapixels shooter, if the rumors have it right.